we're proud to announce the launch of a Python scripting interface for Sumo called PySumo. Sumo now ships with a code editor that includes syntax highlighting for Python code. Gone are the days where you had to model everything using the graphical user interface. With PySumo, you can create models with Python code, which means that it's quicker and easier than ever to build large and complicated models. Here I'm using a script to generate different portal frames for analysis. Notice how quick it is for me to generate new frames without having to model them graphically. I simply change the values in the script, run it again, and it creates the model for me. With a basic grasp of the Python language, you can do almost everything in code that can be done graphically. PySumo is especially useful to automate repetitive tasks. Be sure to use it on your next project.